Okay, hi! Good evening, everyone. This is the night before my sponsorship visit, and I'm really excited. So, magbabalot tayo ng gifts ngayon. You'll have to wrap these presents with me. Hey! So, unahin ko na yung mga isa sa mga favorite ko. We have these watercolor paintings. We also have volleyball. Special request niya to. So, hindi ko alam, baka hilig niyang maglaro ng volleyball. Isa din sa mga special requests niya, itong box na to, and these contains a makeup kit for kids. Magical unicorn, and then, buksan natin siya. Jaran! O, di ba may blush? Blush to, tapos eyeshadows dito. Gusto niya green, meron dyan. Yes, nakaka-excite naman. We also have this unicorn. Again, mahilig siya sa unicorn, I think. And ito ay art set naman. So, kompleto to. Tadaan! Oil pastel, color pens, color pencils, and everything she needs for painting, eraser, drawing. So, nandito na lahat. And I'm really excited. Gusto ko makita yung reaction sa mukha niya when she sees this. And syempre, excited ako kasi I hope talaga na magamit niya to sa school to entertain herself. So, I'm really excited kung paano niya gamitin na lahat na ito. And I hope na ma-appreciate niya and ma-enjoy niya yung paggamit.